It's me, Crud Ball. I'm not a monkey. It's really me, Crud Ball. And welcome to the Crud Ball Art Show. Today, on the Crud Ball Art Show, we're going to show you how to make some frames. And don't monkey around with frames, because you know what that means. That means you'll be a bumbleclot. Burn out the bumbleclot, burn out the bumbleclot. And you don't want that, because it's no good to be a bumbleclot. So we're going to take this stapler, see it? And it's crud too. And we're going to staple some frames on to the piece that we made last week. Look, you see the piece? It's crud. You want to know how to sign the piece? Watch this. We're going to sign it. We're going to sign this piece before we put the crud on there. And then we're going to take some of this paint. We're going to take some of this nice cruddy paint. See this crud? If I could see something here, I'll be able to do it. Hey, where'd you go? Oh, there. You see the crud? Now what? Now this is only a Q-tip on it. Look at all the crud on there. Do you believe that? And a screwdriver. So we're going to slime this crud piece. Watch this. We're going to slime it crud. Look. Crud. Ball. Look at that, how easy that was to sign that piece. Isn't that fine? Look, we're going to do something nice with the frame. Now watch this, if I can see. You know, my monkey face is different than my smiley face because we don't want to monkey around, you know. Hold on a second while I get these frames here. And I'll get this stapler. And I'll put these frames on there. You see, we made these frames, and we're going to put them on there. Watch. We're going to take this staple gun, and we're going to staple them on. There's no fuss, no muss. Watch this. And we're going to take this frame here, and we're going to stick it on there like this. And then we're going to staple it on there like this with a stapler. See that? Look. Look. Because it's all crud, you see. Hey, did you see my easel tilting over like that? What is that? Hey, you see that? Look. And then we're going to take another frame here. And we're going to staple it to it. Look. You see this? We're going to just staple this on here. And I'm going to make a nice little frame for that. And then we're going to take this other piece and we're going to cover up. I made a stupid mistake. You see how hard it is, but you can cover it up. Watch. Well, at least I signed my piece. But first, look. We're going to staple this piece on here. Like, oh. You see that? It's real easy, yo. And then we're going to take this last piece here and we're going to staple it on. Now, watch this. Because you don't want to follow Babylon because it's no good. But now watch these lovely frames. And it's only crud. Look. I'm going to staple this crud to this painting now. Look. You see that? Because it's all crud. You see now, that's a nice little piece you got there. And you can take it home. And you know, on this next piece, because it's all crud, you know, we're gonna show you how to hang a crud piece. See that? Look at that. Look at that, and it, you know, it self-destructs because it's crud, you know. Did you see that? Now have a nice day, and remember, it's all crud. Do you see the crud?